What's up, guys? It's another YouTube video. I haven't uploaded anything recently and I apologize for that. My name's Katie, as y'all know. Comment, add me on Facebook, Katie Smith. My profile picture is of the Bad Girls Club symbol. So add me on Facebook, give me songs that you guys want to hear me sing. I'm all down. I rap, I do everything. So to kick it off with my new videos, I'm going to sing Rolling in the Deep by my idol, Adele. Here we go. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out in the highway or ship air. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside. Played it to me. And that was Rolling in the Deep. Comment below, give me songs. Later.